Hello guys, what is up and welcome to my new video. Sorry for not uploading anything because my phone was broken. I know you don't care about that. So anyway, I got this beautiful game right here I'm playing right now. This game is called Break Origin. And the best thing is the game is offline. So download it now. I got many questions from my last video about Minecraft PSP edition, but sadly, there is no way to eat in this game. The toggle button doesn't even work. It's useless. So let's forget about that and move to the main part. In this video, I will make your phone works better than before. Right? Amazing? Yeah, it's amazing. So I hope this video will help you. And ready? 1, 2, 3, start. First, let's open settings. Now go to the about phone and tap build number 7 times. Now developer options will be unlocked. Open developer options, scroll down and turn this off and change this to 0.5. Now scroll down and turn this on and turn this off. Let's proceed to the other one, accounts. We need to turn that off because this thing will lag your phone, especially in games. Last is storage, internal storage. I will need to clear the cache data. I already cleared it, but I will show you the way. It's okay. Gamer box. Gamer box is the alternative of GL tools. Have you heard GL tools? GL tools is a custom OpenGL embedded system. It can modify the game's graphics or changing the RAM, giving false information about your phone, and many more. But sadly, in order to run this app, you need to root your phone. Let's move to the safer one. In order to use this app, you need to turn your data on or Wi-Fi. Now, open the app. By the way, this app doesn't need a root. It works on non-rooted phone. Now open GamerBox engine and set to performance. Go to the menu again. Then touch game audio equalizer because it gives us warning about this. It's just for high-end devices. Now go to CPU governor and change all to performance. By the way guys, links are all in description. I change this to 480p, 720 and 540. Last, turn this on to 2. And change this to medium. Next is cache cleaner. Open the app. And tap RAM cleaner. Tap boost. Next, RAM optimizer. Tap optimize. You need to do this 3 times a day, daily.